when you're feeling shitty, cooking a 3-course meal, people ain't got time for that. Even cooking a 2-course meal, even cooking one meal, even eating is really difficult and draining, and I get that. I've been there, and that's why I made this video. And I really do hope that it helps you in some way. You know, if you are new to me, hey, Michelle here. Thanks for joining me. And if you want regular motivational videos and you think that's going to help you, press that subscribe button and join the Never Give Up squad. I've got a friendly community of followers and they all want to do better in their life and grow and get motivation. If you have any suggestions of future videos, please put them in the comments and I will answer that. So, depression, first thing I'm going to say about it, it's okay. It happens, it's natural. I've made previous videos on this. You know, there's no shame in laying in bed and crying. There's no shame in just laying in bed and just eating, you know, chocolate and sweets. That's okay, it happens. But it's not necessarily healthy. I want to talk about a few of the things that I do when I'm depressed, you know, in terms of what I eat. Heinz soup. Heinz soup. It's nice. I like it. Not to everyone's taste, but it's quick. You can even eat it cold. You know, it doesn't have to be Heinz. It could be, you know, other soups, even as their own soups. Do some nice ones. They do a nice vegetable one. You can just eat, you don't even need to move, really. You just, you know, open it and eat it cold. And it's safe to eat it cold. And obviously, if you've got bread, you can dip bread into cold soup and it tastes okay. I mean, I like cold soup in the summer, to be honest. It's filling and it's healthier than, you know, chocolate, sweets, super noodles, stuff like that. Although we will get on to super noodles. I've not excluded them on this. So yeah, the first thing I want to say is soup. It's filling and it's relatively healthy, even cold. These pasta and sauce. They're not the most healthiest thing in the world, but they're a lot healthier than just eating McDonald's or chocolate and sweets. Literally, they take about 7-8 minutes to do. I always put extra cheese on because I love cheese. If people know me, you know how much I love cheese. You literally can do them in the microwave. I prefer to do them on the hob. You put the contents into a pan, add milk, bit of butter, wait literally about 6 minutes and it's done. So that is another quick option. You can get these from nearly every store in the UK. And you know, I often, like I said, add grated cheese onto it to make it unhealthy. But it's filling, it's quick and it's easy and you don't really need to think about it. Super noodles. I know I said, you know, they're not healthy, but I'm getting onto them. These are a new thing. They're really nice. They're called Blue Dragon Spicy Thai Flavoured Wok Noodles. But you don't need a wok. It's in the pot. And they're really, really nice. They're better than that pot noodle shit. I can't stand pot noodles. Just the pot noodles. I don't like them. I used to... The chicken and mushroom ones were okay. I mean, tell me in the comments, do you like pot noodles? I found them a bit horrible. These actually taste quite authentic and fresh. I don't want to waste it, but basically you open the lid, you get noodles, you put them out, you get noodles and a sachet of vegetables, and you get a sachet of sauce. Add hot water to about there. Wait, put the lid back on, and literally it's about 3 minutes and it's done. That is one of the quickest things I found, and they are really quite filling. Maybe not like a full meal, but if you've got any cheese again, if you've got any cheese or if you've got any meat, just add it on top and that's a very, very quick meal. Bananas. I don't even like bananas that much, but they're quick, and when I'm feeling shit, I'm going to eat bananas because it takes no effort. You know, you just peel the skin and that's it, eat it. You know, you can chop them up and put them in custard. I know that a few of my, you know, friends that struggle have done that. I don't like custard. Oof. And they are very nutritious, bananas. I mean, if you eat too many of them, they can make you constipated. But it's better than starving. It's better than, not eating at all. Bananas, fruit in general, but bananas are more filling. Toast, bread. Again, just eating bread isn't that healthy. But again, it's better than starving, and it's better than eating chocolate and just crisps and stuff like that. Hummus. I mean, not everyone likes hummus. I love hummus and cheese. And I say it again, cheese. Last night I had toast. I had about 4 slices of toast with hummus and grated cheese on, and it was delicious. Healthy, and it's quite filling, you know. There's a site that I've just checked called supercook.com, and it's amazing, and it may be of use to you if you're struggling, with ingredients or struggling for money, and you really can't be bothered to cook, and you just want maybe 2 or 3 ingredients in a pan, and that's that. It's called supercook.com, and I've put the link in the description, and literally type in the ingredients that you've got in your cupboard, and it will come up with a very, very quick recipe for you to eat and make. And these are, really exotic recipes. It could be, jacket potato and tuna and stuff. And I'll get onto jacket potatoes next. But yeah, this Super Cook, it's really, really, really good. And it's got a focus on vegetables. So it's healthy. It's a healthy tool. I don't think there's an app, but there was a website. So supercook.com. Yeah, jacket potatoes. People might think, oh, I can't be bothered waiting around oven and stuff like that. You don't have to do them you can do them in the microwave. They're not as nice. But you can definitely do jacket potatoes in the microwave. They won't get crispy top, but if you can't be bothered to, hang about, potatoes are extremely filling. You can get the ones from McCoy's and McCain's, and I think Asda do their own, where you literally put them in the microwave for about 4 minutes and they're done, and then you add, I don't know, tuna, cheese, hummus, salad, stuff like that. And that is, I think I've got coffee on me. Yeah. That is a healthy alternative. Yeah, I'm going to go on to it again. I'm going to say it. Cheese, but cottage cheese. Cottage cheese. When I was, not that long ago, when I was really struggling, I was eating cottage cheese. Just, you can get the cans of it, well, not cans, tubs of it, cottage cheese, from Asda. I think they're about 80p, and you get like, more than that, you get. And, not everyone might, be able to just sit and eat cottage cheese, but it's very healthy, and it's extremely filling. If you just eat loads of cottage cheese, it does fill you up. I have it a lot of time for breakfast. I have a banana and a tub of cottage cheese. Again, you don't need to warm it up. You don't need to do anything. You just open the lid. I'm going to go back and talk about sugar, because I know that you do get cravings for sugar when you're struggling. Be careful with that, because loads of sugar can tire you out. So if you're, laying in bed and you might not be, just maybe eating comfort foods like popcorn, chocolate, stuff like that, custard, cakes. Sugar turns into fat, and sugar also, turns into something or other. I'm not very scientific, and it tires you out, it can really tire you out. So I don't recommend that, although, it's easier said than done. I know, I've been there. Like, my vice, like I say, is cheese. I just sit in bed and just eat blocks of cheese. And I get side effects of that, but at least I'm eating. And you need to remind yourself that, at least I'm eating, Baby steps when you're depressed, baby steps, and just go back to that. I've made other videos about depression. I'm not very good at editing, so I've tried to make it so it's up here. Like a little link should appear that says Coping with Depression playlist. But anyway, yeah, just a little short, sweet video that I made here. Let me know if it's been any use. But please remember, like I said, please remember that there's no shame in just eating junk when you're depressed. you know, and it's good that you come into this video to actually say, you know what, I'm gonna try and eat healthier. That's a good sign, man. That is a good sign. You know, just keep on going. You know, life is shit. Life is hard sometimes. You know. But anyway, yeah, I hope that this video has been of use. If it has, let me know in the comments. Let me know, what should I talk about next? I mean, there's been a few ones about PTSD. There's been a few comments about, relationships. So yeah, just tell me. And if you're new, say hi. If you love cheese as much as I do, let me know. It's been Michelle, and I will talk to you soon. Adios.